1990s with flat plate collector technology. After 2003 onwards, the ETC systems also entered the Indian market, and because of some suitabilities and considering the hard water conditions and all that, then maybe some price benefit also, ETC started becoming more popular. And if you see since last 3-4 years, the share of ETC based is now reached to around 85 to 90% of the market. And major installations presently going on are from the domestic sector, mainly for the bathing applications, then in commercial sector also, but again focusing on the bathing applications. More than 30-40 well-established manufacturers and even small manufacturers more also are there all over the country. Okay, those more focus is toward the southern area, but still in the northern also there are good manufacturers. As a product technology, my colleague Mr. Apole will stick more, but one thing I can highlight that technology of this product is well matured. It's a baby which is nourished by MNRE right from beginning, and because of that during the subsidy period and before that also it was a good technological support, and now we have various technological innovations like glass line storage tanks are coming, then many automations have come in tank manufacturing and other things. Because of that, many manufacturers are now who are offering 10 years guarantees also, and product life is definitely more than 15 years. So it is at par with any solar product. Next is last 5 years average after subsidy, as we all know, 14-15 till there was a good growth, but after that the market is more or less stagnant. You can say 1.2 to 1.3 million square meter of area is being installed. That again major in domestic sector. And our chairman already mentioned that carbon emission more than 1 million ton is happening. Connected load reduction, that is also highlighted by him, which has reduced the peak load demand. That has happened, what is happening every year is 1300 megawatt of reduction, considering at least 2 to 3 kilowatt of connection per solar system. That is also happening. Then yearly saving of 1000 gigawatt hours also is happening. This all is happening without any financial support or a policy support. So going ahead is the before this period, that is before the withdrawal of the subsidy, if you can see, right from 2001 to 2014-15, even the figures have gone up to 15 lakhs or 1.5 million square meter area also. During that period, definitely industry had got lot of advantages. One thing is increase in the awareness. Otherwise, it was, as it was said, limited to the South India and some of the areas like Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat like that. But during the subsidy period, we have found that various states in the India, northern state, cold regions, we could get lot of good awareness increase during that period. Second part was the quality, as we are discussing. Definitely quality is very important. At that time it was well monitored by ministry. Main point was, the manufacturers were accredited, approved. Then we had to get our product tested from the test labs. There were 5 RTCs inactive that time. So definitely the product quality was well monitored, and that is why the awareness and business also gone up during that period. After that, subsidy was withdrawn from 2015 onwards, 15-16, and then we have seen that there was no control on the quality of the products being manufactured, and definitely because awareness was there, market was there. So all cheap imports, from where it is coming, cheap import system started coming. Even many fly-by-night operators who are a sort of assemblers, they were not that serious in the line. They just came in and started assembling the system without any name, because neither there was any control, nor there was any financial incentive from the government of any side. So market was just uncontrolled. So this is how it continued. Then complaints started coming in automatically because of the inferior quality, low price and imports and all that. So major complaints were unsatisfactory performance, then tank leakage, etc., etc. Again, as I said, it resulted into bad product quality. As a category itself, customers started losing their faith in solar water heater because of all these earlier things. And then obviously the sales started declining. And we have seen that many good companies and good brands like Tata's and Kotak and Tata Honeywell, many people were there, good, maybe small brands also, but doing good, they started leaving the market. And many people also turned towards the solar PV sector. Even many manufacturers from Gujarat and other places, they started changing their priority to the PV sector. Even the dealers also, because of the, though both the technology are good, somehow the this sector was neglected. One point I would like to highlight over here, which Secretary Sir has raised, that was regarding the subsidy. It was not that industry was against the subsidy, because subsidy was definitely pushing this sector. Even if you see worldwide, this renewable energy sector needs some promotional support from the government. But it was because of the way it was given, our funds were getting blocked. It was like on the reimbursement basis. We were actually requesting the government to make it directly to the end user account to be deposited the subsidy, but that was not done that time, and it was said that it is not possible. That is why, unfortunately, government and we were forced to take this decision. Our money was not getting reimbursed. So let me be very clear that any promotional incentive is welcomed by the industry. It will really help. Then only positive control on the quality could be, it is possible to control the. If there is no any financial, maybe directly or indirectly, if there is no incentive, it is very difficult to control, because any inferior company product can come in the market, because you cannot bifurcate it. That is the main point I would like to highlight over here. So